Hey there, home cooks! Today, I've got a viral hack for you that'll make your taste buds dance. Japanese potato salad. This delightful dish is a staple in Japanese Western-style restaurants, and now you can make it right in your kitchen. First up, the potatoes. You can either boil them whole with the skin on for that extra sweetness, or peel and chop them for convenience. Whether you decide to boil, steam, or microwave, always start with cold, salted water. Now, let's talk ingredients. You'll need boiled potatoes, carrots, thinly sliced onions, cucumbers, and ham. If you're feeling fancy, throw in some smoked salmon or crispy bacon. And don't forget the hard-boiled eggs. Cook them for 10 minutes after the water starts boiling. For the dressing, we're keeping it simple but delicious. You'll need sugar, salt, pepper, mayonnaise, yogurt, Dijon mustard, and a splash of olive oil. Time to bring it all together. Mash those warm potatoes until they're nice and smooth. Mix in your veggies, ham and eggs, then drizzle in the dressing. Give everything a good stir and season to taste. Quick tip for you: if you ever struggle to tell the difference between raw and hard-boiled eggs, just give them a spin. Raw eggs spin slowly, while hard-boiled ones spin fast. And here's a fun twist: try adding some pumpkin or sweet potato for extra sweetness. Or get creative with your leftovers. The possibilities are endless. There you have it, a simple, delicious Japanese potato salad that's sure to go viral at your next gathering. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy cooking!